Hello and welcome to my vlog and this video about my makeup and skincare empties in no particular order, and I'm not going to tell you with which products I replaced those because many of them I just finished. So let's start with Old Cleanser Oskia City Life Cleansing Concentrate Anti-pollution gel cleanser. Always wonder what does it mean, anti-pollution for cleanser. Seems like it contains vitamin A, B3, B5, C, E, malachite, sulfur, and something else. Very good for us, probably. Not sure if it's going to do anything in cleanser. However, it was quite a good cleanser, very gentle, very long lasting. The Body Shop Tier 3 oil, use it on my pimples. They said that you don't have to use Tier 3 oil directly on the skin, you have to somehow add it to something. But I've been using Tier 3 oil directly on my skin, on pimples on my skin, and I noticed a great result with it, so I will continue to use it. Doesn't matter what others are saying. And Rexona deodorant, antiperspirant, actually nice one. I like it. Good deodorant. Molten Brown Fairy Pink Pepper Bath and Shower Gel. I like Molten Brown shower gels, and Fairy and Pink Pepper my favorite scent of this. I even have perfume of this scent. Kadali Vinergetic C Plus Serum with vitamin C energy serum. Looks like this. Their new packaging, Kadali new packaging is very bad. It's just glass bottle, heavy, but you can't get the last drops of this from the bottle because it's like glass. You can squeeze it. You can get it by this pipe there. You can do anything, and I think maybe at least one usage of it in the bottle. Liked it. I think it was pretty much effective. I did notice brightening on the skin as a result of this product, so like it. Hair products I'm just going to throw away. Pre-shampoo Bio Scalp Tonic and Pre-shampoo Bio Scalp Peeling. I always wonder in which order I have to use one of them, which one is first, which one is second, but one of them is like you put it on your dry scalp, wait, then you go to shower, put another one, like damp hair, put another one on damp hair, wait in shower, and then shampoo, condition, etc. But they are almost full. Wasn't impressed, and it was too much actions for sure. Philip Kingsley root boosting spray volumizer. Haven't noticed any actual root boosting from this spray. Doesn't matter if it was after blow dry or just natural drying. Nothing. I almost finished it. It's somewhere here. Lancaster Tan Maximizer After Sun. I noticed that Lancaster changed this line. Now it's like something golden after sun, something for sensitive skin, and now I'm not sure which one from those new types of Lancaster Tan Maximizer is exactly this one original, but it was the skin saver for me. Every time I got burned by sun, it helped. it just decreased time to heal tremendously. You can even you can even like stop noticing any itching from sunburn or like redness in like 1 day or 2. So it's miracle. It was miracle for me, and I will always have it if I find which one from a new range is original one. Face soap. It's here, but it gone bad basically, so I'm not going to use it further. It seems terrible, and I'm just going to throw it away, and it smells also terrible. MAC makeup brush 224. It started shading as hell. I was just covered in those. Even now you can see here I have at least one hair out of this, and maybe more. It was just impossible to use it without covering face in like black hair, very short hairs. It was shading not like in full hair, but by parts of hair. It was terrible. Essence Extreme Last base coat. I wasn't impressed by this, and it became goopy halfway through. Kiss Soul Creme. I believe it's Alicia Keys line. I got terrible reaction on this. I guess it's because of bacterial it contains. So I've got like redness on my chest, my neck, my face, and healing time was several months. It wasn't after only one use. It was after like several days of usage, morning and night. But it was terrible. I'm going to purchase it or continue. Essence Ultra Gloss Top Coat Mirror Shine. A very good top coat that just passed his due date, unfortunately, expiration date. Serum Adherence Hyaluronic Serum. Good. I liked it very much, and compared to Caudalie, it was easier to get out all serum from this bottle because it was more liquidy than Caudalie serum. But also it's like a glass bottle, this dropper, and like it wasn't easy to get the last drops of this. Good serum. I'm not sure that I would repurchase it, but it was pretty much moisturizing serum. Lovely hand balm from Lush. Like smell of this, like everything of it, and I have one more bottle, and maybe I will switch to something else. Rox Mineralizing Oral Care System. Always use it every night. Just put it on teeth and sleep. Seems like my dentist told me that it's supposed to heal any started issues in your teeth. I don't know if it's true or not. I'm going to visit dentist pretty soon, so we'll see. Another deodorant, Payot Roll-On deodorant, also antiperspirant, but it wasn't effective. I could only use it when I wasn't active, when I was like at home. Nice smell, pretty, you know, such clean powdery smell, very nice, but it wasn't effective. Would not recommend it. Rexona is much more effective. Some by me, HA, BHA, PHA 30 Days Miracle Cream. Wasn't impressed at all. I'm happy that I've got only a small size of this. Ren Evercalm Global Protection Day Cream. Good cream, good nourishing cream, good cream for sensitive skin, I believe. not my first tube. I've had several of mini sizes from, like, as a gift from different purchases. Some by me IHA, BHA, PHA 30-day Miracle Serum. Also wasn't impressed by this, and more than this, it was drying. You know, I'm using different tools to keep me young. So when I was using some tools with the aloe vera gel and put this after this as a skincare, it was fine, but without moisturizing before this, my skin started peeling, basically peeling. And for my skin is not sensitive. It has been through many acids and whatever, so it was drying, and I haven't noticed any improvements about like pore size or pimples or like breakouts, whatever. This was in Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer and Primer in one. I haven't got it, like, what is it? Mask, cream, primer, something strange, in my opinion. Charlotte Tilbury Instant Turnaround Moisturizer. Nothing bad, nothing good. Given a price tag, I'm not going to purchase it. Caudalie Resveratrol Lift Cashmere Cream. Too perfumey. It was almost sickly perfumey smell, and it's even now, although it gone bad. So not going to purchase it. Green Mama Foot Cream for like tired foot. Like it, good one, very cooling and refreshing. Powder Shiseido UV Protective Compact Foundation SPF 30, very water resistant, and that's true. I've been in swimming pool when it was on my face, and I was from swimming pool with the same, like, you know, this base on your face when water is like gathering there in drops, you know. So very good. I had it in color light beige, and it was okay. It was okay for me. So finished it. I don't know if I'm purchase it later. Maybe I don't know. Miniature Algenist Blue Algae Vitamin C Serum. I had a reaction of this, like breakouts, so I'm going to purchase it. Lip gloss Huda Beauty Lip Strobe in Angelic. Good one, but it gone wet. I had like a little bit left here. Good one, but not for my coloring. It's better for somebody more with like lighter hair, like not for me. Sample of Caudalie in a Perfect Dark Spot Correcting Glycolic Night Cream. Hasn't noticed any wonderful results. I'm going to purchase it. Another lip gloss, Divart Crystal Shine 05. I have the same type of lip gloss, but like in white, 01 or something, or 00, and they has been pretty much moisturizing, nice, cheap lip glosses, so like them. Ico Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner and White Plus Wide Lash. So this eyeliner contains something to grow, to help eyelashes to grow, and yeah, I've noticed the result, and it has something there to shake it up. So, good one. Maybe I will purchase it again, and it has like not the filter tip but brush applicator. Vitamin D3 Plus Key 2 nice vitamins, like it. And perfume Alien from Thierry Mugler. Finished it, liked it. It has been in my drawer for like maybe 10 years, maybe 20 years, for a long time. I'm not sure it was the first bottle of this, but yeah, I finished it. Very pretty bottle, but it's not refillable. Sometimes you can purchase like a refillable bottle of this. It is not a refillable bottle, so I have to throw it away, but it's very nice bottle, and yeah, very nice perfume as well. Like, I would explain it as a seductive stubborn. Something like this. And yeah, my favorite face wash from Lush, unfortunately it was discontinued. I will put it somewhere here. Hope it was interesting, and see you back on my floor in some time.